If you wish to take an upfront deposit before commencing work, you can calculate I would use the sell price of all the materials that you are providing the client with. Once you know the value of all those items, we will create a consumable called deposit for materials to be paid prior to commencing work. And in this case, I've made the sell price of that deposit the value of the materials I'm installing. But note, if you just add this item, it will actually increase the total value of the job. So what I had to do then is create a negative item. And the way you do that is simply click here on duplicate this item, drag the item into the position you want to have it, and then add a minus here in front of the price, which will then adjust the total again to be the proper value of the job. You then go to Progress Invoice, select the deposit that you are invoicing for, and then go back to the top and press Complete. We have now created a first progress invoice for this project. I can press here Invoice Completed, and then save to Dropbox, send the invoice as usual. If I go back to all related documents, I can see here the job that we are waiting to start, and we're just waiting for the deposit to be paid first. Assuming that the deposit has been paid, the job would then eventually start. And then if I now go to mark job completed, what happens is JGID picks all the remaining line items, and you'll see item 6, which was the deposit, now didn't get added to the invoice, but we've added the negative item for the previously taken amount of the deposit, which leaves us with a final total of the remaining amount to be paid by the client. If you wish to see what that looks like, you can see here the individual line items, the sub-item group, the remaining items on the project, less the deposit which we have already received.